Hey my dear students, welcome back to the new section. In this section I am going to show you how to create block graphics very easily. So without any further delay, let's get started. Generally for many purpose we have to create it, right? So you should make it pretty nicely. Alright, come to the point. Since we want to make a block graphics, for that reason at the beginning we have to select block graphics template. Okay, I am choosing, just follow the process carefully. Now in this box I simply type block graphics like this. Look at this one. I am just choosing it. Please see carefully. There are many block graphics available. By seeing all the block graphics, you can get proper knowledge. After getting your knowledge, you will be able to create it your own way. Suppose at the moment I want to make gym related block graphics. That's why I will pick this one. Because you saw it's a gym related block graphic, right? I simply click on it. Now you can modify this whatever you want. Even you don't like this template, that time you can find another template from here, or you can directly search from here like this. I'm searching. Yes, after searching you will get gym related block graphics. These all are gym related. So you can choose any of them from here. But right now I don't want to change this template, owing to the fact that it's pretty cool. Now follow the template carefully. In this template, can you see Canva logo? Yes, we are seeing, right? That means it's a paid image. For using the image, you have to be premium member of Canva. So at the time I want to change the image. For that I am hitting on more. Afterward choose pixel. Then I am searching gym like this. Then press enter. Suppose I like the first one, that's why I click here, then set it in here. Alright. Now it looks pretty cool, right? Also you can choose any of them from here very easily. Please see, there are lots of high quality images available. Suppose I like this one. I just click here, then set it. It's also pretty cool, right? Suppose at the time I like this one. Just click here, then set it in here. Cool, right? Alright, now I want to change the text with our requirements or demand. Just follow the process carefully. I am clicking here. Then I delete 5 and put 10. Now look, 10 minutes workouts. And right now I don't want to change anything. That's why I click outside of the box. But I want to change the URL. That's why I click here. Just delete it. Look at, I have changed a little bit. You can put your website URL like me. Alright, moreover I am clicking here. Now I will do ungroup. That's why I click here. Now choose in place. Then drag it. Just follow the process carefully. And move it. Yes, I think this is perfect. Now look the whole design. You can do more customization as your wish. Finally I am clicking here. Then choose download. At the time you can change file type from here. Actually it will depend on your requirement. But I think PNG is best. That's why I click here. After that hit on download. Absolutely, the download has been completed. Now I am opening it for testing. Hey guys, now look the design. So I believe in this way you can easily create your own block graphics whatever you want. And finally I want to mention that for many purposes you can use Google. Suppose you want to see few block graphics sample for generating idea, that time you can use Google very easily like this. Just go google.com, then search block graphics. Then pick images. Please follow, there are lots of category available. You can choose any of them as your wish. Suppose you like blog post. There are bunch of design available, right? You can see any of them for generating idea. Owing to the fact that you know to do anything better, most important thing is research. Thank you very much for staying with me. Take care of you.